In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate through Apollo.io S platform and make the most out of its features. We'll start by heading over to the Apollo.io homepage. Simply log into your account, and once you're in the dashboard, you'll find yourself at the central hub of your Apollo experience. Here you can access various tools and insights that can aid in business growth and lead management. Next, let's find some companies. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Find Companies link. This is an essential step if you're looking to expand your network or seek out potential business opportunities. By exploring this section, you can leverage Apollo.io's impressive database to uncover companies that align with your business strategies or interests. Moving on, we're going to access the Lists feature. Click on the Lists section to create and manage custom lists of prospects or companies. This tool helps you organize your contacts and targets efficiently, making it easier to strategize your interactions and follow-ups. After organizing your lists, let's explore Sequences. Click on the Sequences option to set up automated series of emails or messages tailored for your prospects, helping you maintain consistent communication while saving time. This feature ensures that no leads slip through the cracks and you're always engaging with your audience effectively. Once you've set up your sequences, proceed to click on Emails. This section allows you to manage your email interactions in detail. Here you can draft, send, and keep track of all your email communications, ensuring you stay on top of all conversations and streamline your correspondence. Next, stay on track with conversations by heading over to the Calls section. Clicking on Calls will take you to a space where you can plan, log, and review calls with prospects and clients. This can help you maintain a clear record of phone interactions, thus improving your follow-up strategies. From Calls, take a step into the Meetings area. This section is designed to help you manage scheduled meetings effortlessly. By organizing your meeting engagements in Apollo.io, you ensure a structured approach to your interactions, optimizing time and outcomes. After getting familiar with meetings, it's time to focus on conversations. This section provides a more holistic view of all your interactions, integrating emails and calls in one place for easier tracking and analysis. Additionally, for those working on closing deals, the Deals section is crucial. By clicking here, you can maintain an overview of active deals, track their progress, and manage the sales process effectively, helping you to stay focused on your conversion goals. Next, Apollo's data enrichment feature can be activated by clicking here, enhancing the quality of your data inputs. This tool helps refine and augment the details of your contacts, ensuring high-quality data management. For managing tasks more effectively, let's access the Workflows. By clicking on this, you can streamline your processes and automate routine tasks, freeing up time for more critical activities. Finally, wrap up your journey with Apollo.io by exploring the Website Visitors feature. Here, you'll gain insights into who's visiting your site, offering valuable data for lead generation. Also, don't forget to check out Forms and Tasks, which can help gather information from prospects and manage your daily duties efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Apollo.io and boosting your productivity and networking prowess. Keep practicing these actions to become a pro Apollo.io user.